fucking Gucci! Fuck yeah!
ZipRecruiter.com/XM. One more time. To try it for free, go to ZipRecruiter.com/XM. 6 billion and 8, 6 billion and 9, 6 billion and... Oh, hello, America. 6 billion and... Oh, hello, America. I was just counting all the money H&R Block is getting back for our clients this year. How much is there, you ask? Well, it's a lot.
I mean, there's a lot of people quoted who remember this time period as the "will we be alive next week" time period. I mean, Bob Dylan famously said he was going to work quickly on the song he was writing at the time because he was worried he wouldn't be able to finish it, wanted to get as much down on paper before tomorrow.
Oh my god! Oh my god!
That was green, right?
Tendimes Were from Pimlico in London had been planning to line the plastic weapon with a steel barrel in order to make it capable of live firing. The 26-year-old told officers the components were part of a university project.
reaction.
I don't get bummed out.
I used to really do it. I go, God, these people just don't see it.
Get your fingers.
You know, and then I would just, you know, I'd get bummed.
Yeah, I don't get bummed out. My thing is, she's like, you know, being by myself.
Yeah. Jesus Christ.